these with to this. Got the new tires on, super excited. Let's check them out. Okay guys, we're here at the shop. He's gonna put the 32s on the Jeep. Picked these up on eBay for about $515. I got a sweet deal on them. And 32s themselves, they don't really have a lot of off-road tires that are in the 32. Really close to getting the 33s, but I didn't want to lose too much performance in the Jeep. I've seen several reviews on the tire. Seems like a decent tire. Here's the tread pattern. Pretty tall knobs. These are the old tires that I used to have, which are the Discovery STTs by Cooper. So I think these will do good. Let's get them installed and we'll see how they perform. Brakes look good. Good guys. Alright guys, we just got the new shoes on the Jeep. Looking good. So the Jeep has a 4-inch lift. Okay guys, we're back at the house. I just wanted to give you a quick review and show you what the stance looks like. Here's a nickel. So the threads, as you can see, pretty deep. Really aggressive tire. And it makes the Jeep look awesome. Can't wait to get them out wheeling this week. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Check out some other videos that may be helpful to you. And consider subscribing, helps out the channel. Have a good day.